Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditya Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from Pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the introduction of dosage form. In that, monophasic liquid dosage forms. In that, B, liquid meant for external administration. That, liquids applied on skin. So in that we will discuss lotions. These are the fluid preparations aqueous for external application without friction. They are either dabbed on the skin or applied on a suitable dressing and covered with a waterproof dressing to reduce the evaporation. Alcohol is sometimes included in the aqueous lotions for its cooling and soothing effect. For an example, salicylic acid lotion uses local action as a cooling, soothing or protective purposes and generally applied for antiseptic action. For an example, calamine lotion. Containers used are lotions should be dispensed in colored fluted bottles. Labeling for lotions are for external use only. Shake well before use and apply on broken skin without friction. Storage for conditions for lotions are lotions should be stored in a tightly closed airtight container in a cool place. In next session we will discuss about the actual experiment. Experiment number 50. Title of this experiment is to prepare and submit the calamine lotion BP, that is British Pharmacopoeia 10 ml. Preposition 1, lotions can be the suspensions. Preposition 2, suspension containing indiffusible solid for external use with bentonite as a suspending agent. Learning objectives are to understand the use of bentonite in dispersion of insoluble medicament and ability to prepare and label the lotion appropriately. Apparatus required are mortar, pestle, measuring cylinder, pipettes, beaker. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 1000 is equal to 0.01. So we have this prescription, that is RX, which is denoted by RX, calamine 150 gram, zinc oxide 50 gram, bentonite 30 gram, sodium citrate 5 gram, liquefied phenol 5 ml, glycerol 50 ml, purified water freshly boiled and cooled to prepare up to 1000 ml. So we have this a formula table, that is type means the category, use or role of ingredient, translation means the name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system is not given as we don't have the formulas in the Latin terminology. So quantity given in the metric system to prepare up to 1000 ml and quantity taken in the metric system to prepare up to 10 ml. First of all we have calamine, which is used as an antipruritic agent, that is the pain and itching reliever. Quantity given in the metric system is 150 grams, so quantity taken should be the 1.5 gram, which is calculated with the help of factor. Zinc oxide used as astringent, protective and antiseptic. Quantity given in the metric system is a 50 gram and quantity taken should be the 0.5 gram. Bentonite used as a suspending agent, quantity given should be 30 gram and quantity taken should be 0.3 gram. Sodium citrate used as an alkalinizing agent. The quantity given should be 5 gram and taken quantity should be 0.05 gram. Liquefied phenol used as a preservative, quantity given is a 5 ml and taken quantity should be 0.05 ml. Glycerol quantity given, used as a viscosity enhancer and humectant to maintain the humidity, moisture. So quantity given should be 50 ml and taken quantity is 0.5 ml. Purified water, that is which is the freshly boiled and cooled, used as a vehicle. So quantity given should be to prepare up to 1000 ml and quantity taken in metric system, that is quantity sufficient to prepare up to 10 ml. Direction to be used as directed by physician. So now let's move for actual performing of experiment in laboratory. For this preparing calamine lotion, we have this calamine which is a previously weighed. This is a zinc oxide which is also previously weighed. This is a bentonite. Then this is sodium citrate which is a previously weighed. This is a liquefied phenol which is taken into this beaker. This is a glycerol which is also taken into this beaker, and this is a purified water. So now I am going to add this sodium citrate into this purified water, and again with the help of this stirrer, with stirring properly dissolve this sodium citrate into this purified water. Then after dissolving it properly, we have to proceed for next part, that is I have to sterilize this bentonite into dry heat sterilizer at 160 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. As this bentonite contains number of impurities,
So to avoid the contamination of our product or lotion, we have to sterilize it previously. So after dry heat sterilization of bentonite, I taken that bentonite into this mortar pestle. Then I am going to add all these powders, that is calamine and zinc oxide, into this mortar and pestle for trituration. So I am going to triturate all these powders into it. After triturating all this powder, now I am going to add this previously prepared solution of sodium citrate in this purified water. I am going to add this solution into this mortar pestle and again proceed for trituration. Now after proper trituration, I am going to add this liquefied phenol into it. Again proceed for trituration. Again after that I am going to add this glycerol into it and again proceed for trituration for proper mixing of it into this mortar pestle. Then now we will move for volume makeup part. So after proper trituration in this mortar pestle, I transfer it into this measuring cylinder, make up the volume with the help of purified water up to 10 ml. Now I am going to pour it into this container and after that we will proceed for next labeling part. So now let's move towards labeling part. So labeling of formulation, calamine lotion BP 10 ml. For ABC means name of patient, register number XYZ, that is number given in the register. Dispensed by PQR means name of the pharmacist. Manufacturing date September 2020. Storage condition, stored in cool and dark place. Then shake well before use. To be used as directed by physician. One more direction for lotion, that is it should be applied on broken skin without friction and manufactured by Element Pharmacy, Nasik. Result: the 10 ml of this calamine lotion BP is submitted in this amber colored glass bottle for inspection with special instruction on label as shake well before use.